Let's be honest, digital ministry is complicated and it's exhausting. You know there's more to it than just streaming church services or having a social media posting schedule, but where do you start? I mean, how do you reach a world of smartphones, smart homes, smart watches, and smart cars? The reality is the church needs smart leaders who are prepared to challenge traditionally held norms and willing to get uncomfortable in order to reach people who aren't going online to search for a local church, but to search for answers. And that's exactly why I wrote MetaChurch. See, the word meta is a prefix meaning to change and to go beyond. So in MetaChurch, I use my experience as one of the first online pastors in the world to provide a practical guide for how church leaders can change their model and go beyond a Sunday service in a church building to reach people and make disciples. I am really excited to share this book with you because the principles I outline can be used by churches of any size, in any denomination, and in any context.